Welcome to a milestone worth celebrating. This is the great.
Every project we take immense pride in not only constructing.
Welcome po sa aming bahay. Ako nga po pala si Joy.
At ako naman po si Mr. Buenas.
Tara, pasok po tayo.
Pwede ko itong unit nito kasi ito yung perfecto para sa maliit kong packaging.
Tanong ng mga possible homeowners, especially for San Pablo East. Okay, now, I just wanna ask you guys, gano'n po ba kayo ka-excited? Kasi syempre, we have been doing lots of launches and expansions lately. Pero para dito sa San Pablo East, gano'n po kayo ka-excited?
Oh, sige. Ladies first na.
Excited you get syempre, sales.
Of course. Actually, we very, very excited. Kahit mainit, kahit traffic going here, of course, evident yan sa mga taong nandito. Of course, the support of...
Ladies and gentlemen, once again, we give you First Park Homes.